In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove objects in Adobe Photoshop. Start by duplicating your layer so you can work on a copy of the image. Once the duplicated layer is ready, go to the toolbar and select the Object Selection tool. Click on the object or person that you want to remove from the photo. Photoshop will automatically create a selection around it. After the object is selected, go to the top menu and click on Select, then choose Modify, and after that, click on Expand. Expand the selection slightly so Photoshop has a bit more area to work with when filling the space. Next, go to Edit and choose Content Aware Fill. A new workspace will appear where you can adjust the fill settings. Choose the settings according to your preferences until the preview looks clean and natural. Once you are happy with the result, click OK to apply the fill to the image. After the fill is applied, press Ctrl D on your keyboard to deselect the active selection. At this point, the main object should already be removed from the image. If you still notice any uneven or wonky areas left behind, simply repeat the same process again. Use the Object Selection tool to select the remaining area you want to fix, go back to Select, Modify, and Expand, then open Content Aware Fill again and apply the settings you prefer. Click OK once more and then press Ctrl D to deselect. Continue repeating the process on any small problem areas until everything blends naturally into the background. Once the cleanup looks smooth, you're done. Here's the before and here's the after. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.